This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. If you are interested in knowing what happens behind those elegant doors, you have come to the right spot. In today's video brought to you by the luxury world, we are about to reveal exclusive insights into how Rolex authorized dealers operate. Delving into the realm of Rolex's authorized retailers, we uncover the secrets they prefer to keep hidden. Though the outcomes may be uncertain, we are fully dedicated to this exploration. Consider this a gentle heads-up as we dive deep into this topic. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do so to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Let us get started. First, let us discuss Rolex. Owning one of these luxury timepieces might seem like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, not just for its aesthetic appeal but also as a potential financial safety net in uncertain times. It is easy to view high-end jewelry in a similar light, especially when each sparkle of diamond or glint of gold seems to chime like a cash register. However, before diving in wallet first, it is crucial to understand what you are truly investing in. Are you paying for mere opulence, or is there craftsmanship involved? Luxury watches like Rolex operate under a distinct set of rules. They are intricate mechanisms where every tiny gear and spring can significantly impact resale value. Moreover, factors like fashion trends and exclusivity play substantial roles. Most watches begin depreciating the moment you wear them, and unless you intend to rent out your Rolex like a luxury Airbnb, turning a profit can be as challenging as solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Before we explore the experience of purchasing a Rolex directly from a store, consider the perception of luxury accessibility. Some believe luxury should be straightforward, no strings attached, no need to cozy up to a dealer or wait on a list. Now, picture yourself stepping into a Rolex boutique, feeling uniquely privileged. Yet, within Rolex's expansive universe, you are merely one star in a constellation. The true luminaries operate behind the scenes. Authorized dealers tirelessly ensure everything runs smoothly, pursuing nothing less than perfection. Becoming an authorized dealer goes beyond paperwork. It is a prestigious achievement earned by meeting rigorous standards and surpassing challenging sales goals. The methods they employ can be remarkably impressive. Have you ever wondered why acquiring a Rolex Daytona feels akin to securing a backstage pass to a sold-out concert? It is more than just inventory availability. It is a strategic game. Authorized Rolex dealers curate an exclusive experience, carefully selecting buyers for authenticity rather than catering to every passerby. Location matters too. Upscale neighborhoods may scrutinize inquiries, whereas more modest areas may embrace potential customers with open arms. This approach reportedly helps dealers achieve demanding sales targets, a less discussed aspect of their operations. Then there is the gray market, a frontier of watch sales operating outside official channels. These entities acquire a plethora of watches, including highly coveted models and less popular ones, directly from authorized dealers. It is a mutually beneficial arrangement. It bolsters official dealer sales while meeting the demands of customers who might otherwise be overlooked. Imagine the dynamics within a store as if it were a suspenseful novel. There are the newcomers, the seasoned veterans, and the commanding boss who runs a tight ship. Often, it is the experienced staff who quietly maneuver alongside gray market traders. Stepping into a Rolex store feels akin to entering a detective drama set. Upon arrival, it seems the dealers are scrutinizing you, assessing whether you are merely dabbling in watches, genuinely enthusiastic, or aiming to flip your purchase for profit. Selling a Rolex is an art form in itself. Each model, whether it is the rugged submariner or the sleek yachtmaster, tells its own unique story. However, even in the realm of luxury, it is not solely about storytelling. You might have the financial means for a Daytona, but don't expect it to be handed over easily. Dealers prioritize loyalists, those who not only purchase a Rolex but embody the Rolex lifestyle over time. Here is a twist many overlooks. Location plays a pivotal role. In affluent areas, inquiries about Rolexes might receive nonchalant responses, as celebrities and tycoons are commonplace. Contrastingly, in less ostentatious locales, every customer is treated with royal courtesy, regardless of their background. This balancing act enables dealers to meet their ambitious sales targets. Now, let us introduce some intrigue with the gray market dealers, modern-day Robin Hoods who acquire batches of watches from authorized dealers, snagging both popular models and slower movers. This not only boosts official sales figures but also ensures luxury timepieces reach enthusiasts who might otherwise be overlooked. Peeling back another layer at a Rolex boutique reveals not just watches, but a complex interplay of strategy and occasional intrigue. Frontline staff excels in customer rapport, creating a welcoming atmosphere, while behind the scenes, veterans quietly orchestrate dealings with the gray market, influencing the store's trajectory. When you express interest in a specific model, dealers assess your connection with the watch and appreciate its heritage. Are you seeking a status symbol or genuinely understanding Rolex's decades-long commitment to quality and innovation? These dealers have witnessed diverse stories, from a young entrepreneur celebrating her first million with a GMT Master 2 to a retired naval officer sharing tales of his sea dweller's adventures. Each watch embodies a narrative woven into Rolex's legacy. With recent increases in security measures, these timepieces are guarded as securely. Despite the luxurious ambience of the shop, do not be misled by the polished veneer and soft lighting behind the scenes. A strategic game is at play. Earning the distinction of an authorized Rolex dealer is a significant accomplishment, akin to being knighted in high-end retail. These individuals undergo rigorous assessments to ensure they meet Rolex's exacting standards, are deeply immersed in the brand's storied heritage, and can achieve ambitious sales targets. When it comes to allocating coveted watches, while Rolex sets the overarching guidelines, the minutiae of who walks away with a stainless steel Daytona is left to the discretion of the dealers. It is important to note that these dealers do not hoard an endless supply of sought-after models. They receive allocations from Rolex and must navigate a nuanced process to determine deserving recipients for each masterpiece. Therefore, if you ever feel scrutinized based on your choice of timepiece, it is not paranoia. It is simply navigating the high-stakes world of luxury watch retailing. Rolex authorized dealers to operate under a stringent rule book, akin to a thick phone directory, to which they strictly adhere to avoid dire consequences. One of the cardinal rules is that they must not exceed the manufacturer's suggested retail price for any watch. While some may have tried to circumvent this rule, it is strictly forbidden and could endanger their authorized status. Behind the scenes, Rolex authorized dealers harbor a little-known secret. They indirectly support gray market dealers. However, here is the stark truth that needs acknowledgement. There is not an overall shortage of Rolex watches. The scarcity primarily lies within authorized dealerships, and this is a crucial point to emphasize. Even these esteemed dealerships have their own set of secrets and operate under strict rules and regulations, rather than in an unrestricted environment. It is important to practice responsible and informed purchasing. Avoid being swayed by sensational claims. Prioritize ethical considerations and focus on building knowledge to make confident decisions when dealing with luxury goods retailers. Instead of seeking out hidden secrets, it is more beneficial to focus on becoming an educated consumer, understanding different models and pricing structures, and being prepared for potential wait times due to high demand or key factors. Developing a relationship with a trustworthy dealer can provide more value than chasing after elusive information. As we conclude our investigative journey, the plot thickens with a paradox. While physical stores often display limited watch selections, the online gray market flourishes. This dance between demand, perceived scarcity, and actual availability exemplifies luxury brand strategy. Let us debunk a myth about Rolex's exclusivity. Contrary to widely held belief, acquiring one does not require a three-piece suit or name-dropping. It is about authenticity, genuine appreciation for craftsmanship, respect for Rolex's rich history, and embracing the spirit of luxury. What are your impressions on the Rolex topic we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.